Okay, so the other day, my husband asked me a question, which I cannot believe he's taken this long to ask me. He's like, why is it every time you get out of the car, you turn the steering wheel upside down? And I was like, because it's hot. He said, what do you mean? I was like, well, as you know, in the summer, if you live somewhere that's as hot as it is here in Dubai, the last thing you want to do when you get in the car is touch the steering wheel. So what I do when I get out of the car, I turn the steering wheel upside down. Therefore, when I get back in and turn it the right way up, the sun's not being directly hitting it, which means that the steering wheel's a lot cooler, and it's not burning my hands, because as you know, your hands should be at the top of the wheel.